Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Kenmore brand washing machine and it keeps going into pause mode and you're trying to figure out what's going on. Now, a little bit of bad news is that there can be a lot of things that can be tripping this into going into pause mode. So you're going to have to troubleshoot a couple things. But one of the main things that can cause it is that the door, it will go into pause mode if the door's open. And so if anything is malfunctioning with the door, even if it doesn't look open, if you might have some kind of faulty sensor or if there's gunk in here that doesn't let it quite close properly, all that stuff can cause it to go into pause mode because it doesn't think that the door is closed properly. So what you want to do is just make sure that you don't have any clothes. When you close the door, you didn't get any clothes pinched between the door and the wall. There's no gunk or anything in here. Mechanically, everything looks to be sound in there and in here. And if you do that, this is one of the main culprits of the your Kenmore washer going into pause mode. Anyways, hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.